from Master 24 and you're welcome to this Pega robotics or what we call as OpenSpan, right? So let's get started on this session. So let's start. Now, what are we going to learn today? So today this is the first session. I'll give you a brief overview of what exactly is RPA and what is this Pega robotics, right? So before jumping ahead directly into Pega robotics or OpenSpan, let's understand a bit of what exactly is Pega robotics. So Pega robotics or OpenSpan. So both are the same things. What happened is OpenSpan was acquired by Pega Systems and that has been merged into Pega Robotics. So if someone tells you OpenSpan, Pega Robotics, both are the same thing. So no need to, you don't need to confuse. That's the thing. Now talking about what exactly is OpenSpan or Pega Robotics, is nothing but it's an RPA tool. So that is Robotics Process Automation tool. So what does it do? It automates manual tasks. That's the stuff. So any kind of manual stuff that is done by humans, that's what will be automated. What can be that? I mean, pretty much anything. You will see that currently in IT, you will see 60% of the tasks in current IT, I'm telling you, it's all manual. People are using Excel sheet stuff, this that all manually. You will see that this 50 to 60% of that stuff down the line, 2-3 years down the line, or 5 years down the line, all of it will be automated. So probably that's the reason why people are saying that there will be a lot of job cuts. Remember, there will be job cuts, definitely, that's for sure, but there will be a lot of new jobs will be created in robotics and in data science, big data, those things. So if you are updated, if you keep updated with new technologies, then you don't need to worry. Anyway, I'm not going deeper into that. So we have other RPA tools as well, that is Blue Prism. Then we have UiPath. Then we have Automation Anywhere. Then of course Pega, and then we also have Work Fusion. And there are a lot of tools that are there in the market, but mostly if you ask me which is the best one currently in 2018 is of course Blue Prism. But UiPath is really dominating the market. I mean, you will see 1-2 years down the line, UiPath will be the leader. But as of now, yes, it's Blue Prism. First Blue Prism, second Automation Anywhere, third UiPath, then Pega Robotics, then Work Fusion, like that. So that's the thing. Now to see the tool, I mean, this is the tool that you have here. This tool is free, so anyone can download this tool. You can just go and search in Google like Pega Robotics free download. That's it. So you just need to sign up. And then you can download the tool. So anyone can download it. It's free, no need to worry. And about this tool, you can see here the interface. It's if you have seen earlier RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath or Automation Anywhere, you will see they're pretty much the same, but this one is more of is based completely on Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio. So you see all this interface is nothing but Microsoft Visual Studio. If you have ever seen Visual Studio, I mean, that's how it looks like. It's like a brother copy paste, right? So now you have to work here. Now let's see the touch and feel and other options. You can see here help and file. So to start any project, you need to start with by creating a new project. So just say new, let's say new and project, right? So it is asking for to check two things like empty project or Pega robotics project. So you can go ahead with empty one. The only difference is here an automation job will already be present, and here it will be completely empty. And talking about a solution name, it's nothing but it's kind of like the head of the hierarchy. So you're going to create projects, and in the projects you're going to create automation. But in a solution, you can create multiple projects. So you understood, right? Solution, it's the grandfather of all the projects. That's the thing. So you can give a solution that Pega robotics something, right? As of now, you don't need to worry about all this stuff. Just say okay. So you will see an empty project will be created. Now these windows are important. Object Explorer, we do not have any objects, so that's why you can't see anything. So Solution Explorer, we will see right now. So we have created an empty solution, empty project, but you don't see anything, any stuff. So I told you that Pega Robotics is about automation of Windows application, of web application, stuff like that. So how are we going to automate? So let's start with this. So to automate it, you just go here, right click, and you say add, and go and say add new item. So let's just add new item, and we will see a bunch of stuff, right? We will see Windows application, web application, automation, Windows form, many stuffs are there, out of which the most important one will be the Windows application, and then the web application, and of course automation. Three things are important. What exactly is Windows application? Let's say VLC player. You don't want to automate that, but just giving an example, VLC player, or let's say your calculator, typical best example. I love the calculator one because all your automation project you can start with calculators. It's very easy. So let's just start with calculator, then probably we can go deeper. And anyway, the web application is, if you want to open the Internet Explorer or Mozilla or Chrome, three things are supported. The best one will be Internet Explorer. Okay, don't go with Chrome and Firefox. And the third one is automation. Now this is the real stuff. This is where you do the real automation. Okay, this Windows and web application is for identifying the objects, and the automation has to be developed here. The automation workflow, process, mapping, maplet, whatever you call it, that will be developed here. So now first let's see a very quick thing, let's just see the calculator application. Double click, so it opened up, right? So Windows application, I should have renamed it to calculator. That's fine. Now what I will do is, let's just open the calculator with this. So how do I configure this thing to open the calculator? Just go here on the right hand side and give the path. Okay, so here I go. This is the path. So you have to give the path of the application that you want to open. So I would like to open the calculator. Do you know where is the calculator? Calculator normally resides in C Windows System 32, and just type or search for calculator. Here I go, calculator, right? And just open it. So this is the full path, right? Done. Save it. Now I just want to test it. So is it opening the calculator, or what is it opening? Just say start interrogation. We call this as the bullseye. So it's a big eye, looks like a bullseye. So it's this one, the bullseye. And then the calculator you see here. So this is the calculator, and using the bullseye you are going to identify the different objects, and then whatever first you are going to identify, and then you are going to automate that stuff. And to automate that stuff you're going to use this one. So you see this one, so automation, we're going to use that thing to automate, right? So this is the most important part, the automation one. And similarly you see there are a lot of things, services, recording, where the recording stuff we take care of all that thing here. And Windows form, right? So you can create a form. It's I think you know what's a Windows form. So it's just like in Visual Basics, those kind of stuff. So same stuff here. So right now similarly you can also configure an web application like Mozilla or something, and then give the browser details, and then the start page, all that kind of stuff. So just double click, and you can configure which page it will be browsing, and right. So just see the start page, you can just give www.google.com, right? So yeah, that's it. I think I just wanted to create this. I'm not going to make very long sessions. You know what? Long sessions are very boring. So I'm going to stop this right now. And in the next session, we're going to see how to exactly identify the elements in the calculator and in the browser, and how to do some automation stuff. We'll start with the basic concepts, and then we'll jump to gradually we will move just like a ladder to the advanced concepts. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Just check out the next tutorial. Thank you very much. Love you all.